we're going to make face shield. Dun dun dun. Going to need old clothes, and I'm going to use the expander, and you're going to use scissors, staple, laminating sheet, and clips, and of course a laminator. First, we're going to put the laminating sheet into the laminator. See, it's coming out clear. Now you're going to cut the suspender stripes. Now we're going to put the clips together with the suspender and the laminating sheet. Oh. We're going to staple them together. Yes. Now we remove the clips. Now your mask is ready. Face shield. This mask protects your face and from viruses like coronavirus. It works like a You can clean it and wear it again. Thank you for watching Face Shield. Dun dun dun!